Hello traders, welcome to this video on one-click close for MT4 and MT5. In this video, we'll look at what this utility does on the platform, how it appears when active, and what traders use it for. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. There we have it. One-click close is a trade management utility that adds a quick close button or control panel to the MT4 or MT5 chart interface. When loaded, it displays an on-chart button or interface elements that allows traders to close all open trades, specific trades, or all profitable or losing positions with a single click, rather than manually closing each trade through the terminal window. The presence of a close button on the chart implies faster trade management capability, which is particularly valuable during fast-moving markets where manual closure through the terminal can be slow. Some versions include options to close all buys, all sells, or all trades meeting a specific profit/loss threshold. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Alright, so we have the close mode, controls what the button closes, all trades, all profitable trades, all losing trades, or all buy/sells separately. Button position, adjust where the one-click close button appears on the chart. Confirmation prompt, toggles the confirmation dialog before executing mass closure. As for what the indicator is for, one-click close suits active traders, scalpers, and those managing multiple open positions simultaneously on MT4 and MT5. It is an execution utility only. It does not generate signals or analyze the charts of the market rather. Depending on the broker and execution speed, slight delays may occur between clicking and other execution. The download link is in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.